Hey everyone. Today, we'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook app when it's not working. If the app keeps crashing, won't open, or isn't syncing emails properly, this guide is for you. To start, go to the Microsoft Outlook app and uninstall it, then reinstall it fresh. Once that's done, check your account in the app to make sure it's properly logged in. Head to File, then Settings, then Accounts, to confirm your account is logged in correctly. Next, let's delete any unwanted emails in the app. Remove what you don't need, hit refresh, and empty the trash. This helps free up memory in Outlook. Now let's check your internet connection and make sure it's working. You can check it right here. If needed, restart your modem or disconnect and reconnect to see if that fixes the connection. Once you've done all of this, your Outlook app should be back to normal. These simple fixes, reinstalling the app, checking your account, clearing emails, and checking your internet, can solve most common issues. They cover the most frequent Outlook problems and are easy to follow. Use these steps whenever you need to get Outlook running smoothly again.